Welcome to Executive Development Training Bootcamp, powered by Tonex.com. Executive Development Training Bootcamp causes you turn into a compelling, reasonable level executive pioneer in your company. Executive Development Training Bootcamp furnishes you with all the information, techniques, procedures, and abilities you have to learn and create, keeping in mind the end goal to flourish in the consistently changing, all-inclusive universe of business. Executive Development Training Bootcamp conveys high potential executive pioneers the hypothetical structures to set up rules, settle on powerful choices, and lead effectively as an exceptional general senior pioneer. You will get a solid cognizance of critical units and how they impart inside an association, building basic abilities required to lead multidisciplinary groups. Which industries can benefit from this bootcamp? This bootcamp provides a general training for senior leaders and executive in various industries, including but not limited to manufacturing, services, finance, transportation, healthcare, not-for-profit, and government. Bootcamp format. This training course is designed to have 2 modules. During the first part, the theoretical material is delivered through interactive presentations and lectures. Then, in the second module, participants will get to practice what they learned through practical exercise, group activities, and hands-on workshops. The case studies and projects are chosen among the real-world scenarios. Audience. Executive Development Training Bootcamp is a 4-day course designed for executives, leaders, strategic leaders, senior managers, board directors, mid-level managers, business owners who are involved in designing the strategic outlines and making the critical decisions. Training objectives. Upon the completion of Executive Development Training Bootcamp, the attendees are able to comprehend the mentality of ruling and the decision-making procedure, structures that promote wise, successful decision-making, and methods and approaches to impact and lead the people involved in the process of decision-making in the corporation. Create approaches to communicate with personnel so well that gain a deep comprehension of the affiliations between individuals' behavior and their organizational performances, along with a knowledge of the influence their manner have on others. Understand how to evaluate and make sense of financial data. Discuss the correlation between finance and corporation approaches to integrate financial information in the process of decision-making. Look for the methods for advertising, division, directing, and placing for, and the influence on, inexpensive benefits and long-term revenue. Explore the basis of business strategy, consisting of identifying key strategic problems, determining and developing chances to generate value, and comprehending how industry configuration influences strategic power. Course outline. Overview to executive development. Main characters all outstanding executives must possess. Know your role precisely. The effect of your personality on your leadership performance. Leadership styles for senior executives. Look at your organization as a team, lead your team. How to delegate properly. Outstanding executive leaders are outstanding mentors. Executive development in practice. How to optimize executive development. Financial assessments. Decision-making and negotiation. Effect of personal dynamics on executive efficiency. Strategy and execution. Strategic marketing leadership. Focusing on the situation. Focusing on the executive leader. How to develop a persuasive vision in your executive leadership. Senior executive leader personality. Nestlé case study. What is the company background? Executive development in practice at Nestlé. Putting in line the executive development and corporate guidelines. Determining leadership features. Top management provisions. How the organizational ecosystem is related to the executive development. Developing executives tools at Nestlé. Approaches applied at Nestle. Enhancing executive development. Learner considerations. Training efficiency. Assessment of effective execution development. Issues. Final thoughts. Learn more about objectives, course outline, pricing, etc. Executive Development Training Bootcamp. www.tonex.com web link.